Gross motor skills. Voluntary movements involve the use of large muscle groups and are typically large movements of the arms, legs, head, and torso. They are referred to as gross motor skills or large motor skills. These skills begin to develop first. Examples include moving to bring the chin up when lying on the stomach, moving the chest up, rocking back and forth on hands and knees, and then crawling. But it also includes exploring an object with one's feet, as many babies do as early as 8 weeks of age, if seated in a carrier or other device that frees the hips. This may be easier than reaching for an object with the hands, which requires much more practice. And sometimes an infant will try to move toward an object while crawling, and surprisingly, move backward because of the greater amount of strength in the arms than in the legs. This also tends to lead infants to pulling up on furniture, usually with the goal of reaching a desired object. Usually, this also leads to taking steps and eventually walking. Gross motor milestones. By the age of 2 months, most children can hold their head up and begin to push up when lying on their stomach. Make smoother movements with arms and legs. By the age of 4 months, most children can hold their head steady, unsupported. Push down on their legs when their feet are on a hard surface. May be able to roll over from their stomach to their back. Bring their hands to their mouth. When lying on their stomach, push up to be on their elbows. By the age of 6 months, most children can roll over in both directions, front to back, back to front. Begin to sit without support. When standing, they support their weight on legs and might even bounce. Rock back and forth, sometimes crawling backward before moving forward. By the age of 9 months, most children can stand while holding on to something, can get into a seated position, sit without support, pull to stand up, crawl. By 1 year of age, most children can get into a seated position without help, pull to stand, walking while holding on to furniture, cruising. May take a few steps without holding on, may stand alone. By 18 months of age, most children can walk alone, may walk up steps and run, pull toys while walking, can help in undressing. By 2 years of age, most children can stand on their tiptoes, kick a ball, begin to run, climb onto and down from furniture without help, walk up and down stairs while holding on, throw a ball overhand.